आज ये दोनों हमारे सामने बैठे हुए हैं, फवाद खान एंड मायरा खान।
ये आप
Over to
तैयारी
you.
करके आए थे?
हाँ, रात को सोते हुए।
Thank you so much.
But guys, congratulations.
Thank you.
Nilofer was made around 2 years ago और फिर कोविड हो गया और फिर कुछ होता गया और अब finally release हो रही है and there's so much excitement. जब पहली look आई, I was like, okay, we're going into this nostalgic, romantic era and for me personally, it's my favorite genre. Your too, na? And I think yours too as well.
I apologize though. Can I ask another question?
Yeah.
Before we move to Nilofer.
Listen, I don't know why Amna just interjected. This
I
is
know,
your
yeah.
interview.
I just want to ask
You know,
both
go
of you, how aware are both of you about the Fahira on-screen couple being the most iconic couple in
What's
the
Fahira?
history? Fahira, Fawad and Mahira.
Do you want to be known as Fahira?
That's your ship name, right?
What do you want it to be called? Mawad?
Oh my God, that's so good.
You thought about it. You've given it the
No, it just kind of
Give
came
it
to
a
my...
thought.
You've given it a thought.
You've given.
Yeah.
So
Every time there's a negative connotation, we can call it Mawad.
Mama.
Yeah.
but like Fawad and Mahira, itna pressure, itni spotlight all the time. यार Fawad, Mahira, Fawad. Be it an ad, be it a drama तो आपने एक ही किया है. But film जब भी आप लोग आते हैं, are you guys aware कि वो एक इतनी massive expectation है fans की तरफ से आप दोनों को साथ screen पे देखने की?
नहीं, मैं तो सोशल मीडिया पे हूँ ही नहीं, तो इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं है कि एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है.
सिर्फ
but I
आपने
know
मवाद
about-
सोचा है.
हाँ?
सिर्फ आपने मवाद के बारे में सोचा.
आपने
और
कहा कि फाहिरा
Nice.
क्यों, तो मैंने कहा कि फिर उल्टा ही हो सकता है,
उल्टा ही
मवाद हो
हो
सकता है.
Also, we haven't. I know you're saying all the time, but I think we've literally done no work together.
So despite that, right?
Well, yes, despite that. That's why we are blessed. That's why we are mindful also a little bit,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
You know, in spite of us not doing so much work, if you think about it, Humsafar was nearly 15 years ago,
Yeah, almost, yeah.
right?
Yeah, absolutely.
14 years ago. And then was Mola Jat, where we were not in an out and out sort of like, it was not me and him, you know, really.
It was him and Hamza.
Yeah. Oh.
And an ad here and there.
Yeah, of course. But and then Nilofer. So yeah, the expectations are there. I think we both are aware of that, aren't you?
I mean, I know of this. What would you call it? You can't call it an acronym. What would you call it? Fahira.
Fahira. Ship name.
Huh?
Ship name.
Let
ship
me
name.
tell you, every
Ship
time
name.
you say this, right? Every time you say it, like I know because I am letterbox. I am still on social media, right?
Yeah.
So I am his letterbox. Please tell Fawad, da-da-do. Please tell Fawad, blah, blah, blah. And I actually do sometimes say, I'll send him screenshots and stuff. So I'm just telling you that when you say this,
Yeah.
they're going to be very happy that you even took this name.
अरे
Fahira.
पता नहीं मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया है यार, मुझे माफ करते हैं, मुझे काम
नहीं,
करने
अच्छा
का
ही
शौक.
है. It's a good thing.
It's a good thing they're happy that you said Fahira.
अच्छा चलो.
Yeah.
They probably never heard you say Fahira.
अच्छा, anyway, Fahira की बात हो गई. I hope Fahira fans.
नहीं, एक सवाल और ऐड
Oh.
करना चाहिए. क्या आपने क्योंकि आपने शायद इसको इतनी थॉट नहीं दी, बट क्या आपने सोचा कि ऐसा क्यों है, आप दोनों की ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री की इतनी क्यों बात होती है, क्या वजह है कि आप दोनों ने इतना एक कनेक्शन डेवलप किया है फैंस के साथ? आप अब सोच रहे हैं. Why is it that you two?
I swear, if I was to sit and it's one of those things that can be analyzed by you guys and other people, and it can be discussed, and I hope it's discussed forever and analyzed forever.
Yeah.
But the thing is, people who are involved in it, I feel, we can't really analyze it ourselves. Because if we analyze it, and let's say we think we've cracked it, we'll try to repeat it. And I think that's where people go wrong. We've never tried to
Dissect it.
We don't. Believe me, I know it sounds so, I don't know.
Otherwise it would be rehearsed.
It is never rehearsed. It's
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम रिहर्सल नहीं करते
नहीं
सर.
रिहर्सल करते हैं, ये थोड़ी कह रही हूँ.
Yeah,
मैं
आप लोग आपस
literally
में
कह रहा हूँ,
बात
समझ
कितनी-
जाना
अच्छा
चाहिए
हाँ,
ना
यही ना समझ जाए, but you know what I mean. कि
But
there's
you're not in touch with each other otherwise a lot, right? Or are you?
We-
You are.
we are like
off and on.
off and on.
Speed dial वगैरह वो चीज.
Speed dial.
Yeah. मतलब जो favorites
क्या
की
कहते हैं
list.
4 o'clock friend?
4 o'clock friend.
नहीं,
वो
what
क्या?
is that called? It's called
I
a
don't
4
know.
4
o'clock.
a.m. friend.
4 a.m. friend.
Oh, 4 a.m. friend, we
Friend.
could be.
We could
but,
be.
like, on an off day, we can be 4 a.m. friends. But not. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, can I ask a Neelofer question if
Yeah,
you don't
But
mind?
yeah. So just to say.
This is
that-
leading to Nilofer, yaar.
Okay.
हाँ.
just that's the thing, you know. We've not analyzed it, we don't dissect it, and I hope that we never come to a point where we come together, where I tell Fawad, we have to do this because we need to recreate this.
Or cash in on, yeah.
Yeah, I hope,
The
and I
popularity.
think that fans and the audience and maybe all of you probably see that. I don't know, or feel that. I don't know. God
You know,
knows.
while you're talking, मेरे ज़हन में सिर्फ एक सीन आ रहा है हमसफर का, where he just says, "May I?" and literally goosebumps type situation.
And it's been recreated by so many
And it's
people
been
on
created
television.
so many times
Where?
in
By other
dramas,
people.
in other
TikToks
dramas,
and-
by
No,
other
no.
actors,
Yeah.
in
Other
our
dramas.
Other dramas, yes, Pakistani
I've
dramas.
never
That
heard
one
that.
scene.
Have you heard that?
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Oh, I haven't heard it.
Yeah,
I've heard of
it
it.
has.
Fun
yeah.
fact, it's an improvised. It's completely
Really?
yeah.
Totally improvised.
And
By
we kind
whom?
of- we-
By you?
Him and him.
Nah,
Just said-
I just said, here's a bet. This is gonna work. Just, I don't want to say that.
Let's
yet.
just stop it.
Nah, yeah.
They both, Sarmad and him, were constantly, you know, like, yeah, should we do this? Should we do that? It was like not, no one was really thinking about what it
Yeah.
could become, right?
Yeah.
I mean, yesterday I found out that these guys were making fun of the yellow Joda and
Yeah, but that Mihai moment was not there. It was, again, like I said, it was a friendly bet between us. And I said, just you watch.
And work big
This
time.
is,
Ji,
this is
over
what
to
they
you.
want.
Aisa,
This is what they want.
Aisa Vaisa.
and that pen in the hair. I used to do the pen in the hair
Yeah.
because I
It was
long
very
hair.
natural.
Yeah, so I would keep a pen or something in there. So Sarmad used to be like, ये निकालना है. अच्छा अब वो पेन जब हम लगाते थे तो वो फिर निकालना भी थोड़ा उस वक्त थिकर भी बाल थे ना तो फिर be like, man, what the hell? So yeah, let's not go
let
to
me
Humsafar.
let me
Let's stick to
connect
Neelofer.
let me connect Humsafar to Neelofer.
Sure.
Humsafar to Neelofer. Wow, rhyme भी
Wow.
करता है.
हाँ.
Let me connect that. And जब हमसफर खत्म हुआ था तो लोगों के लिए बहुत एक चाहत रह गई थी कि यार they never hugged in the drama. उस वक्त hugs नहीं होती थी. अब तो खैर हर बंदा जप्पियां मार रहा
आखिरी
है.
सीन में था नहीं?
नहीं था. फिल्म में मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा?
मेरी imagination में था.
फिल्म में मिल रहा है. We're getting the fire.
That's all we want, huh?
That's
From
all we
Neelofer.
want. That's all we want.
Super hit blockbuster.
Thank you. It was nice. आप लोगों ने वक्त निकाला.
Really?
No. I
There
want
was
to
a
know.
hug in Mollaja too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've
There
taken a
was.
jump from, what is it, Universal to PG-13 now.
Totally.
Yeah.
Totally. Yeah. Okay. Okay. First time producer, your own film, Neelofer, and films are risky business in Pakistan. Romantic comedies बनती हैं, rom-coms बनती हैं, political satire. You've been part of a political satire. Yeah, something larger than life like a Maula Jat. Neelofer का concept कहाँ से आया?
Why did we take a risk with Neelofer, you say?
No. How did you come up with the concept of a Neelofer?
I didn't. So, it's a script जो कि I think मायरा के पास भी पहले आई थी और जब होते वाते मेरे पास भी पहुंची तो it was a slightly different script but the log line जो उसकी log line थी वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई. एक writer meets through some coincidence and of all the places, of all the gin joints, क्या कहते हैं
How you described it there was really nice
What?
actually.
क्या
Yeah, go on. What are
So-
the odds?
What are the odds कि जो है ये दो लोग मिलेंगे
Yeah.
and they meet and a writer his muse becomes a person who can't see the world
Yeah.
yet her soul is so untainted, so uncorrupted that she sees life
Yeah.
much better than those who see it. And I think in a way it's kind of a blessing because her thought about life is not corrupted. तो वो उसके लिए एक inspiration बन जाता है, she becomes his muse. And that whole idea, just that one line, इसको भी अगर आप summarize करते हैं, the one line had me sold. And
क्या
I was
line
like,
थी?
I'd
Say.
like to do something like this because मुझे हमेशा से बहुत सी, it's not a film to be compared, but दो कैरेक्टर्स पे मबनी कहानियां मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. जिस तरह एक बड़ी फेवरेट फिल्म है मेरी, it's not for everyone to watch. So again, advisory है.
Which one?